Hi, and welcome back to another video. I'm Conor from Hybrid Technology Partners, and today is the next video in our Priority ERP series. Today we're going to be taking a look at form design. Form design is a really simple but really effective way of streamlining your use of Priority. How it works is you can customize the view per user within Priority, whether that be organizing fields within a form in a particular way, or hiding fields altogether depending on what you want to see within the form. So let's take a look and show you. So here we are in the Priority homepage. So the first thing that we'll do is we will just go into a form. So let's say car catalog. And the first thing we'll do is we will put a search in for everything just so we can populate the page. Now, so you see here we have our different columns or fields. So we have part number, description, family, status, and so on. The first thing we'll do is we will reorganize this to suit us better. So for example, we see here we have family, but we don't have the family description. If we were to tab across here, you'll see family description is over here, but it's out of our initial view. So what we want to do in this case is to bring family description over next to the family column. So we do this by clicking the cogwheel and going to form design. Then we scroll down here until we find family description, which is here. And what we can do is we can move up one by one by clicking this, or we can move all the way to the top by clicking this button. And then from the top here, we can just go down a few until it's just next to family. We click save and then leave it update. And now we have family and our family description side by side. It's really that simple. So the next thing that we'll do is we will hide a field altogether. So let's say that we actually don't even need to see family description. We have the family and that's all we need. So we'll go back into form design. We will click on family description. We'll click these three dots and we will click hide. Hide this form only. And now click save. And now family description is gone. Now this doesn't delete it. It just hides it from the form. You can always go back in and reintroduce it at any time you want. The next thing we'll do now is to just change the view into the detail view, because it is slightly different the way that it's separated into tabs. So when we go into form design in this view, it'll look just a little bit different. So you'll see here it is divided up into the specific tabs, and it's the very same process. You click into a tab, additional details, you have factory unit, by cell unit. You can move this up and down any way you want. You can click on that there and you can move to a different tab, which is really handy. And for this is a standard field, but for other fields like the family description, it'll allow you to hide it, and you can hide it there as well. So very simple, yet very effective, and many of our clients love using this feature because it just allows them to clean up their forms just that little bit and makes their day-to-day just that little bit easier. So that is form design within Priority, a really simple but effective tool that many of our clients love using on a day-to-day basis. If there's anything else that you'd like to see within Priority, please feel free to leave a comment below, as we will take them all into account and we will make the videos that you want to see. If you want to reach out and have a chat about Priority ERP, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and one of us here at Hybrid would love to have a chat with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.